Good morning viewers, this is JNR. Welcome to the JNR Maths YouTube channel. Now we discuss this video U by V formula based sums. Okay, right. Find the derivative of x power 5 minus cos x by sin x. X power 5 minus cos x by sin x. Okay, now we find out derivative of this function. First of all, we consider this function is y. Let y equal to x power 5 minus cos x by sin x. Okay, observe this one. This is the numerator, denominator. By using u by v formula. U by v. What is the formula of derivative of d by dx of u by v? V into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by v square. First of all, we consider this function is u. U equal to x power 5 minus cos x. V equal to sin x. V equal to sin x. First of all, we find du by dx. Du by dx equal to d by dx of u x power 5 minus cos x. That equal to d by dx of x power 5. How much? 5 into x power 4 minus d by dx of cos x. Cos x means sin x minus sin x. D by dx of cos x is minus sin x. 5 x power 4 minus into minus plus sin x. Plus sin x. Okay. Next. dv by dx. dv by dx equal to d by dx of v. V is sin x. d by dx of sin x is cos x. Next, we find dy by dx. dy by dx equal to d by dx of y. Y is x power 5 minus cos x by sin x. By sin x. So, what is the formula? D by dx of u by v. V into, v means sin x. V into, this is u, this one is v. V into d by dx of x, du by dx. Sin x into d by dx of this one. How much? Du by dx 5 into x power 4 plus sin x. V into sin x into du by dx. Du by dx is 5x power 4 plus sin x. Minus u into, u means x power 5 minus cos x into u into dv by dx. dv by dx how much? Cos x. Cos x by v square. V is sin x. V square means sin square x. Sin square x. And next we multiply this one. That equal to sin x into 5x power 4. 5x power 4 into sin x plus sin x into sin x sin square x minus x power 5 into cos x minus into minus plus cos x into cos x cos square x. whole by sin square x, whole by sin square x. That equal to, once observe this one, 5x power 4 sin x, 5x power 4 sin x. Once observe this one, sin square x plus cos square x. What is the value of sin square x plus cos square x? 1 minus x power 5 cos x, x power 5 cos x, whole by sin square x, whole by sin square x. That equal to 5x power 4 sin x minus x power 5 cos x plus 1 by sin square x, sin square x. This is the derivative of the given function. Okay, note down. Okay, next sum. Find the derivative of x into sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square. X into sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square. First of all, observe this function u by v formula, u by v. So, first of all, we consider this function is y. Let y equal to x into sin inverse x, x into sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus x square. First of all, we take this one is u equal to x into sin inverse x. This one denominator is v equal to square root of 1 minus x square. Next we find du by dx. Du by dx equal to d by dx of u. U is x into sin inverse x, x into sin inverse x. Observe this one, x into sin inverse x. X into sin inverse x means by using uv formula, u into v dash, u into x into d by dx of sin inverse x, u into v dash plus v into sin inverse x into u dash d by dx of x, u into v dash plus v into u dash. So, x into d by dx of sin inverse x, 1 by root of 1 minus x square plus sin inverse x into d by dx of x, 1. That equal to x by root of 1 minus x square plus 1 into sin inverse x, sin inverse x. This is du by dx. Next we find dv by dx. dv by dx equal to d by dx of v. What is the v value? Root of 1 minus x square. Root 1 minus x square. Now observe this one, root 1 minus x square. Now we consider 1 minus x square is x. Now we take this one is x. Now we change the formula root x. What is the formula d by dx of root x? 1 by 2 root x. That equal to 1 by 2 root x, 1 minus x square into which term we consider x? Again differentiate that one into d by dx of 1 minus x square. D by dx of 1 minus x square. That equal to 1 by 2 into root of 1 minus x square into d by dx of 1. 1 is constant, the derivative is 0, minus x square. D by dx of x square is 2x. Next, 0 minus 2x is minus 2x, minus 2x by root of 2 into root of 1 minus x square. This is a du by dx. This one is dv by dx. Okay. Minus 2 dv by dx. dv by dx equal to minus 2x by 2 into root of 1 minus x square. Next we find dy by dx. dy by dx equal to d by dx of y. Y is x into sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square. What is the formula? V into u dash. V into root 1 minus x square into u dash. V into du by dx. What is the du by dx value? X into x by root of 1 minus x square plus sin inverse x. V into u dash, V into du by dx plus minus u into x into sin inverse x into dv by dx. What is the dv by dx value? Minus 2x by 2 into root 1 minus x square whole by v square. V square means root of 1 minus x square whole square. Let's observe this one. V into u dash. U dash means du by dx. This value minus u into u is x into sin inverse x into dv by dx. dv by dx is minus 2x by 2 into root of 1 minus x square. Here square root is cancelled. Now I write this one 1 by 1 minus x square into now we take LCM. What is the LCM of this one? Root of 1 minus x square. Root 1 minus x square. Root 1 minus x square is LCM. Here 2 is cancelled. Observe first one. Root 1 minus x square. LCM is there. X into root 1 minus x square. Observe this term. Root 1 minus x square is LCM. Here numerator x into root 1 minus x square plus sin inverse x into root 1 minus x square. Now LCM is root 1 minus x square. So root 1 minus x square sin inverse x. Once observe this one. Root 1 minus. Once observe this one. Here root 1 minus x square is LCM. So x into root 1 minus x square plus here LCM is root 1 minus x square. So root 1 minus x square into sin x. Root 1 minus x square into root 1 minus x square. Root cancel 1 minus x square into sin inverse x. Sin inverse x. Next minus into minus plus x into x square sin inverse x. X square sin inverse x. That equal to 1 by, now this is also denominator, this one also denominator. Now we write this one 1 minus x square into root 1 minus x square into x into root of 1 minus x square plus 1 into sin inverse x. So sin inverse x minus x square into sin inverse x minus x square into sin inverse x plus x square sin inverse x plus x square sin inverse x. Once observe this one, minus x square sin inverse x plus x square sin inverse x is cancelled. That equal to 1 by, now observe this one, 1 minus x square whole power 1. Here root 1 minus x square. Root 1 minus x square means 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2. Here power is 1. Here power is 1 by 2. Plus 1 by 2. How much? 3 by 2. 2 is LCM 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So 1 minus x square whole power 3 by 2 into x into root 1 minus x square plus sin inverse x. Plus sin inverse x. This is the derivative of given function. Given function is x into sin inverse x by root 1 minus x square. That derivative is this one. Okay? Right. Okay, next sum. Find the derivative of x plus cos x by tan x. Find the derivative of x plus cos x by tan x. X plus any function having f of u by numerator and denominator given means by using u by v formula. Okay. First of all, we consider this function is y. Let y equal to x plus cos x by tan x. First of all, we consider this one is u. U equal to x plus cos x, v equal to tan x. First of all, we find du by dx. Du by dx equal to d by dx of u, x plus cos x. That equal to d by dx of x, 1 plus d by dx of cos x minus sin x, 1 minus sin x. Next to dv by dx. dv by dx equal to d by dx of v. v is tan x. d by dx of tan x, secant square x. d by dx of tan x, secant square x. Next we find dy by dx. dy by dx equal to d by dx of y. Y means x plus given function, x plus cos x by tan x. What is the formula of u by v? v into du by dx. That equal to v into, v is tan x into v into du by dx. du by dx is 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x. v into du by dx minus u into x plus cos x into u into dv by dx. dv by dx is secant square x. Whole by v square. v is tan x. v square tan square x. Tan x into 1 minus sin x minus of x plus cos x into secant square x by tan square x. Any simplification is possible. Tan x minus tan x into sin x, no. X into secant square x, cos x into secant x. So, simplification is not possible. Once observe this one, any simplification is possible means we simplify that one. Simplification is not possible means leave that one. That is the answer. Okay students, once note down this one. Okay students, this type of questions, any question is given that function having numerator and denominator means by using u by v formula. Any sum is given u by v formula, solving this process only. Okay students, previous video I already explained formulas. Once read that formulas, most important, you read perfectly that formulas. After that, practice the sums. Okay students, any question u by v formula based sum is given means process this type only. Okay students, please like and share this video and subscribe this channel. Please give me your support. Okay students, thank you for watching.